Today, science understands happiness as a regulated neurophysiological state, resulting from the interaction between the brain, the body, and the environment. The human brain was not designed to maintain constant happiness. It was designed to detect threats, correct errors, and ensure survival. Because of this, the brain naturally prioritizes negative stimuli. This phenomenon is known as the negativity bias, and it is well documented in neuroscience. It explains why negative experiences tend to have a stronger emotional impact than positive ones of equal intensity. Happiness, therefore, is not the absence of negative stimuli. It is the ability of the nervous system to return to balance after stress. This process is called emotional regulation. The autonomic nervous system operates through two main branches: the sympathetic system, responsible for action and alertness, and the parasympathetic system, responsible for rest, recovery, and repair. Stable states of happiness are associated with healthy activation of the parasympathetic system, especially the vagus nerve, which regulates heart rate, breathing, and emotional responses. When the mind constantly interprets threat, whether real or imagined, the sympathetic system remains active. In T states, the body does not access well-being. For this reason, the first scientific step toward happiness is not positive thinking. It is teaching the body that it is safe. Slow, deep breathing is one of the most effective ways to signal safety to the brain. It reduces cortisol levels, regulates heart rate, and improves heart rate variability, a direct indicator of emotional resilience. Another key factor in happiness is attention. Research shows that attention shapes neural activity. Where attention goes, neural networks strengthen. When attention is focused on the past, networks associated with rumination become stronger. When attention is focused on the future, networks related to anxiety are activated. Happiness is strongly correlated with the ability to keep attention in the present moment, reducing excessive activity in the default mode network, which is responsible for repetitive, self-referential thinking. This explains why mindfulness-based practices show consistent results in reducing stress, anxiety, and mild to moderate depression. Another critical scientific factor is how we relate to difficult emotions. Emotionally healthy individuals do not suppress emotions. They process them. Emotional suppression increases physiological activation and is associated with greater psychological wear and tear. In contrast, conscious observation of emotions activates regions of the prefrontal cortex, which modulate the amygdala's response and reduce emotional reactivity. This does not eliminate negative emotions, but it prevents them from dominating the system. Happiness is also related to internal predictability. When the body can anticipate stable internal responses, the brain reduces its state of alert. This stability is built through simple routines: regulated sleep, regular physical movement, and safe, supportive relationships. This is not about motivation, it is about biology. From a scientific perspective, happiness is not constant pleasure. It is dynamic, emotional homeostasis. A healthy, happy organism is one that adapts, self-regulates, and returns to balance efficiently. Every time you regulate your breathing, guide your attention, and observe your emotions without identifying with them, you are training the brain to operate in more stable states of well-being. From this perspective, happiness is not an emotional accident, but a trainable physiological skill.